Oh.
What?
Yeah, I restarted it.
That's fine. Right, I'm gonna start it. Hello, what's going on, folks? This is Zach Dunn, and I know the new fancy game has walked into town, Black Ops 3, but I'm not giving up on the game. I A, only started, and B, is quite good. Right, back to my normal intro. This... Huh? Why? You can end it, I'll cut. No, I'll cut, it's fine, yeah. Alright. So guys, I know the new fancy Black Ops 3 has walked into town. I'm probably getting it next week. Don't know about you, puppy. When do you want to get it?
I'm not getting it, probably.
Why?
Because I need an Xbox One, and that's $300.
You can get it on 360, but you just can't do campaign.
Yeah, and the graphics is really, really bad.
Really?
That's why I don't want to get it. I don't like using my money on campaign. The graphics is bad.
I mean, Black Ops 2 is okay, isn't it? It's cool.
I like it.
And apparently they're making a Black Ops 4, my brother says. And honestly, I don't know what they're going to do, but it's just going to make it exciting in Black Ops 4. Oh, okay. So, yeah, guys. I will probably get it soon, but, you know. And also, guys, I'm now above level 4, which means I have my own class. And I've had experience. I've done some multiplayer. And I'm feeling pretty pumped. I'm feeling like I can beat Puppy. Probably not.
There's an advantage it's giving you, but you'll have to see me to figure out what the advantage is.
No, I know the advantage.
So. It's an advantage, but you'll have to see me to figure out what it is. If my torch streaks won't kill you, by the way.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. You saying hello to?
Torch streaks won't kill you.
All right.
They just help me out. They won't kill you though.
All right.
Have to.
Whoa! Aha! Come on! No, no, no! I'm not dying now. Come on! No! Come on!
Dang it.
What?
I can't kill you.
Yeah! I'm done with. I'm no baby no.
You should come to me because I'm not coming to you.
Why?
Because I'll die.
That's a trick, isn't it? Whoa! I knew it! It's a trick!
Yeah, I just wanted to calm down.
Always have to, don't you? No! Come on! Come on, I'm over here. No! Bring it on! No!
Here's a tip. I have a shotgun. Don't fight with close range.
have a shotgun as well. I find it pretty useful. Ha! In your face. In your dreams, mister. In your dreams, kill me. Haha! Oh, the good days for puppy is over. Guys, it's over, friends. We got him. Cracked him. No! Alright, not there. Let's go. Where did you go, man? You just disappeared.
You didn't move. Didn't move to where I last killed you.
I spawned like literally where you killed me.
No, you spawned on the other side.
No! Come on!
It looks exactly like you, just on the other side.
What? Come. 1 minute you're on the train, 1 minute you're over here. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Haha!
I had no way to kill you.
Dog days are over. Come on, how did I not kill him? No, come here! No! Oh. No! I knew you were there. I knew you were hiding somewhere and jumped into the station. I saw you jump off the train into the station, but I don't think I could have got you. Oh, this is so fun, man. I'm not a baby no more.
I really want to try my best on you.
Please, can you go harder?
I can go harder. I'm just using shotgun.
So am I. I find it quite useful. Whoa! Alright, that.
You're not using shotgun.
Yeah, yeah.
You're using a sniper.
Oh, a sniper, sorry. That's what I
I'm
mean.
gonna say, shotgun's at close range, snipers are long range.
Yeah. Oh, for God's sake.
I forgot I put one up there.
Haha!
Crap, article is real.
Wait, can I change my class for a second? Wait. Choose class. No, wait. Please, wait.
Yeah.
No, wait!
I'm not killing you.
Alright, okay, cool. Don't kill me. Choose class. It's not letting me go into it.
You have to die.
Alright, can you kill me? Thanks. Thanks, buddy. And that is still not letting me.
Go over and choose class, then go to that class and press A.
Yeah, press A, and I'm on it now, but I want to change my class.
What do you mean, like, you want to change the gun?
Yeah, I want to change my weapon to a shotgun, my primary weapon. I mean, still using a sniper, but I want to add thing gun.
Oh, you can't add the game.
Okay. Thanks for the tip. Your body was moving, man. It was weird. Thanks. That's what I needed, a good slap in the face. What? Come on, bring it on. You're fooling me. Do you think I'm stupid?
I wasn't trying to hide, I was trying to find you.
Did you not know I was there?
No.
Wow, you didn't know I was there. Whoa.
I didn't. I didn't know you went this.
For God's sake, come on. I'm gonna swear in a minute. Ah! Come on. Come on. I'm not swearing, guys, by the way. I said for God's sake. That body's alive. I'm gonna kill it. How did I not get you? For God's sake! I'm getting angry now. The bodies are moving. Why are the bodies moving? The bodies are moving. Oh, no, come on, that's not fair. You found a spawn kill on me.
I did.
Huh? No, I'm angry. I'm complaining.
Did you say invite yourself? Then you're spectating.
Oh, la, la, la. No!
Come on. Get my first streak and then I'll stop. I'll stop. After.
No, I'm not letting you. I'm not letting you. I wasn't trying to let you. I shot you in the head, and you still get the lark because the game thinks you're awesome.
No, it's just because I'm making gameplay. Oh yeah, you have to spectate the game. I finished that one song. I just have to change the blocks under it.
Yeah, don't care. Just got them. I don't care.
Yeah. What?
Oh, I killed him.
You repeat?
What kind of sport do you play on the coast?
Where I live?
Yeah.
I don't live in the coast. I live in the Midwest.
I think you have that one.
The coast is like by ocean. I'm out in the middle of the U.S. Max Avenue, pretty much. Well, not in the middle.
Where do you live? North Dakota.
Yeah.
For God's sake, don't shoot me.
Right below Canada.
I live in London.
Oh, my thing ran out. What, refund? What do you mean?
Where you
Name some swords and I'll tell you if we have them.
I know where he lives.
Name swords and then I'll tell you if we have them.
What? No!
we have sport.
I mean, we have football, soccer, tennis, volleyball,
What's like the most that they play?
basketball. Oh, probably football. We're a major company.
God, come on.
However, I swear I don't know how. I shot.
Hello? Where are you? God's sake, come on.
Scared the crap out of me. What kind of ad is this? Introducing the walking pop-up.
You're wasting my time. I need answers. I don't know, I'm talking gibberish. Hey. Ow! Ow! No. What? Don't set bombs on me. What? This isn't skill, puppy. This is just luck, okay? So don't think you're lucky.
What?
This isn't skill. This is luck. So don't think you're like better at me. Well, you are better at me, but you know that's not skill. What you're doing, killing me. That's luck. All right?
Well, I could go try hard.
That
Now we're just involved in these
That
problems.
was so fun. Oh, that wasn't fun.
This is kind of like my tryhard weapon in this game mode.
What? What? Say that again?
The weapon I'm using is kind of my one that I do best with in this game mode. Or at least against you.
What? For God's sake. Come on! What? You're just hiding on the train, yeah? Hiding in the choo-choo train.
Yeah. I'm glad you killed me. If you didn't, I would cry.
Well, I killed you. You're happy. Okay, maybe walking on the train isn't such a good idea. That was fun. That was so fun! What?
Can I go to it?
No.
I'm not gonna use this.
No.
Really?
No. Oh.
We're doing a video!
I told you to join this spectating. No, I don't get that.
Oh god. I'm doing really good this episode. Alright, I have realised it is kind of coming to the end of the episode here, so please do leave a comment, like and subscribe. I'll see you lovely folks in the next episode I do, and probably the next episode I do will be based on Black Ops 3. Cheers. I know the graphics will be bad, Puppy says. So cheers, thanks for watching, see you in the next episode.
They
Bye.
are. Next time you go on YouTube, you need to search up Xbox 360 or Black Ops 3 on Xbox 360 versus Xbox One.
Alright.
They're so bad.
Alright, see you.